Hello everybody. This video is to make a conclusion beyond the following question. How can this topic enhance your current or future roles as an English teacher? Conclusion. First, I want to give a little definition about what this term means. Grammatical categories. It is the word's classification in accordance with their function in a sentence. Noun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, pronouns, conjunctions, and prepositions. Semantic relations. It is the relationship that there are between two words with meaning. Eponymy, synonymy, polysemy, homonymy, and antonymy. In conclusion, I can say that these topics are going to be too useful to my future role as an English teacher, because of this way they teach me to know, understand, and use correctly each part which conforms a sentence. At the same time, how to write good sentence, but mainly, and the most important, is to know how I'll teach on a very good way this topic to my students, inform that they have clear these concepts too. Thank you very much. Bye.